Hi friends, today we'll start with the next sum, that is 6 numeric. Check. A lens from the image of an object placed at a distance 15 centimeter from it. Right, means u is given as minus 15 centimeter and v is given as minus 60 centimeter. Why minus? Because it at a distance 60 centimeter in front of it, matlab left hand side, right? Find the focal length. And one more thing, find the nature, focal length, magnification and nature, right? So 1 by v minus 1 by u is 1 by f. This is a lens formula. This is minus 1 by 60 minus of minus 15 is 1 by f. So this is minus 1 by 60 plus 1 by 15 equal to 1 by 4. Minus 1 plus 4 upon 60 is 1 by f. So this is 3 upon 60 is 1 by f. F is equal to 20 centimeter. This is the focal length. Right? Now what is magnification? Again, since m is equal to, it is v by u. V is what? Minus 60. U is minus 15. So this is equal to 4. Right? Plus 4 is magnification. Now what is the characteristic of image? Since it is last case of convex, it is virtual, erect and magnified. Virtual, erect and magnified. This is what is the sixth sum. Now check with the seventh sum. Seventh sum I am writing here. In seventh sum, a lens from the image of an object placed at a distance. Right? U is given as minus 45 centimeter. V is given as plus 90 centimeter. Right? What they want here, name the kind of lens. Obviously, object image is formed on other side, therefore it is a convex lens only. Right? This is convex lens. Find the focal length, right, and the magnification. Now focal length के लिए 1 by v minus 1 by u is 1 by f. This is 1 plus 1 by 90 minus of minus 45 is equal to 1 by f. This is 1 plus 2 upon 90 is 1 by f. This is 3 upon 90 is equal to 1 by f. F is equal to your 30 centimeter, right? This is the focal length. Now what will be the next part? Magnification. So m is equal to, it is v by u, it is minus of, say, 90 upon minus of 45. So that is equal to minus 2. Right? Now we'll go with the next sum, that is 8th. Check. In 8th, what is given? In 8th sum, an object is placed at a distance 20 centimeter in front of a concave lens of focal length 20 centimeter, right? So, 8th, u is equal to minus 20 centimeter, f is also equal to minus 20 centimeter because it is a concave lens, both are negative. What they want here, find the position of image v position or magnification, right? V they want and they want m, right? So 1 by v minus 1 by u is 1 by f. This is the formula. So this is 1 by v minus of minus 20 is equal to minus of 1 by 20. I will, this is 1 by v plus 1 by 20 is minus 1 by 20. Take this to other side. 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 20. That is minus 2 by 20. So v is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Right? So images say a format same side with 10 centimeter, right? This is your 10 centimeter. So I will write here images form 10 centimeter in front of concave lens. Now for magnification I will write m is equal to v by u. What is the v value? It is minus 10, u is minus 20. It is equal to half plus half, which is plus 0.5. This is your magnification. Now we'll go with the ninth sum. Ninth is different. Check. A concave lens from the image from the inverted image of a size same as that of object. So your I is equal to O, right? So can you write your V by U is equal to I by O, which is equal to 1. So your V is equal to U, right? Now it is convex lens, right? Convex lens. So find the position of image. So I will write here 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now what is given? Object is placed 60 centimeter in front of it. Okay. So focal length be ढूंढना है and U is given as 60 centimeter, right? So can I write here therefore V is also equal to 60 centimeter, right? U is 60, so V is also 60 on other side. Now can I use your 1 by V, that is 60 minus of this is minus 60 because object distance, right, is equal to this is 1 by F. So this is 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60 is 1 by F. So I can write here 2 by 60 is equal to 1 by F. F is equal to 30 centimeter. This is your focal length, right? Now there is one more sum, 10. Now 10th and 11th will solve. Now the remaining parts will be same as it is. That I will send a image of remaining questions in a regular class, right? Check. In the 10th, what is given? A concave lens forms an erect image of 1/3 size that of object, which is placed. Matlab I is 1/3 of O. U is given as 30 centimeter, right? So can I write here, since V by U is equal to I by O, which is 1 by 3 of O upon O. So ये O cancel. V is equal to 1 by 3 of U, which is 1 by 3 of 30, which is 10 centimeter, right? Now since it is a concave lens, तो दोनों negative आएगा. So right here, according to sign convention, U is equal to minus 30 centimeter, right? V is also equal to minus 10 centimeter. Second right here 1 by V minus 1 by U is 1 by F. Now this is 1 by minus 10 minus of minus 30 is equal to 1 by F, right? This is comes out to be minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 30 is 1 by F. So this is minus 3 plus 1 upon 30 is 1 by F. So this F comes out to be minus 15 centimeter. So negative sign, it is a concave, right? This is about this part. Now we'll go with the 11th sum. I think that will be the last sum for this video. The power of lens is plus 2 diopter. So P is given as plus 2 diopter, right? Find the focal length and the kind of lens. So right here first, since power is positive, therefore lens is convex, right? Now if the power is negative, then it will be a concave lens. Now here focal length they want, since P is equal to 1 upon F, right? So this F is in meter, so power is in diopter. So right here F is equal to 1 upon V, which is 1 upon 2, 0.5 meter. So we can write here F is equal to 50 centimeter. This is the focal. Now, thank you friends.